Meet the bold and rugged 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato, Lamborghini's first V10 off-road supercar. Here's the front of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato, instantly recognizable with exposed dual LED fog pods mounted atop a rugged aluminum skid plate. Its higher stance and widened track hint at gravel capability, while slim DRLs and sculpted bonnet preserve Huracan's aggressive DNA. Under showroom lighting, reflections dance across the all-terrain wheels and reinforced front fascia, blending rally capability with supercar drama. In this rear angle, the Sterrato's lifted chassis and beefed-up arches become evident, allowing for improved off-road angles and wheel articulation. The wide diffuser guards airflow even at a higher chassis, while dual hexagonal exhausts punctuate the bold back end. A roof-mounted intake scoop and visible underbody protection elements reinforce its dirt road cred, all illuminated against glossy floor reflections. In this close-up, the rugged Bridgestone Dueler at 002 all-terrain tire pattern stands out, run flat rated with reinforced sidewalls and interlocked tread blocks for grip on gravel and pavement. Behind it, a carbon ceramic rotor with 6-piston caliper pairs weight, while torque vectoring sensors revealed along the knuckle indicate the Sterrato's rally mode AWD adaptability. The interior is built for rally-inspired precision. You're seated in carbon shell bimaterial seats wrapped in Verde Sterrato Alcantara, secured by a 4-point harness. The digital display shows specialized off-road telemetry, incline angles, compass, pitch/roll. Additional touches like titanium rear arch supports and aluminum flooring reinforce its rugged luxury. Here's a view underneath the Sterrato's wheel arch, revealing aluminum skid protection panels guarding the radiator and transmission. Note the raised suspension system and softer magnetorheological dampers carefully encased to absorb uneven terrain. Exposed reinforced sills and underbody armor showcase how Lamborghini blends rally resilience with supercar finesse. Taken from the side, the Sterrato's elevated suspension and roof racks shout usable adventure. Notice the reinforced black side skirts and bold wheel arches housing chunky Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. Sunlight emphasizes the gap between body and ground, reminding you that this Huracan can go where others fear to tread, yet maintains Lamborghini's low-slung profile and brutal aesthetic precision. This cockpit detail showcases Lamborghini's rally mode telemetry, pitch and roll meters, compass, steering angle readout, and the Anima mode dial set to rally at the core. The console is adorned with Verde Sterrato Alcantara and carbon trim, reinforcing the pilot focus philosophy while providing real-time off-road feedback right at your fingertips. Finally, the Sterrato's roof rails and crossbars deliver practical utility married to rally aesthetics. These bolt-on aluminum mounts support light cargo but were engineered to strict load and aerodynamic criteria, rated for about 30 kilograms. You'll see the precision brackets and reinforced carbon fiber anchors reflect the car's readiness for adventure, whether it's gear or poster ops.